Welcome in our geography session for standard 12th by Deshmukh Madam. We discuss about the industrial region in the world. There are major industrial region in continent wise distribution is there in our textbook, and we discuss a second important continent and their industrial region, the South America, the industrial region from South America. There is Argentina is also one of the important country, and the industrial region related with Argentina is there. Brazil is also one of the most important country from South America. Third, Venezuela. It is also one of the important country from South America, which located north part of the South America. Compared to the land area, Venezuela is the land area of Venezuela is less than Argentina and Brazil. Chile is also one of the important country on the west coast of South America. Brazil and Argentina is the east coast of South America. About the land area, Brazil is one of the major country in South American continent. Now the development related with the industries are also very good and high related with Argentina, Brazil, Venezuela and Chile. With the help of map, we can see the Venezuela. It is located at the north part of continent. Here is the eastern Brazil part is there. This is the Brazil. Then southeast Brazil area. This is very important region in Brazil. Almost coastal area is there. Venezuela. The north part is a coastal area. And Chile. This is also one of the important country from South America. The north part of Chile is important for the industrial region. Here is Argentina. It is also the industrial region from Argentina is located at the east coast of Argentina. About all industrial region, we can say one thing is a common. The coastal area is there. That's why the climatic condition is also near about the same, because of a coastal area have equable climatic condition. Hot and humid type of climate is there. Now, which physical factor are affecting on the location of industries? The first, fertile plain. About the almost all region are located at the coastal area. That's why plain is there. The topography of that region is near about a plain, and if a plain area is there, it is support to the agricultural development, transportation and trade development. Then coastal region is there. Coastal support to humid and what type of climate is there? Almost rainfall, amount of rainfall is also good. Then coastal area is also again provide a port facilities for water transportation. Then grazing ground. Argentina is one of the important plain area. There is a temperate grassland is there of Argentina. It is very famous and it is support to the commercial based animal husbandry. So it is also important for the industrial sector as the availability of raw material. Then favorable climate is also there. Availability of mineral oil. The Venezuela is one of the important country which produce a mineral oil production. There is mineral oil reservoirs are there located in Venezuela. It is also export mineral oil to North America. Second important factor related with location, that is a human factor. The availability of low cost labor is there. This region, the South America, is less developed or the developing condition compared to North America. That's why the cheap labor source is there. Low cost labor is available in this region. Government is also promote to industrial development. After 1965, the government of Brazil is also support to the industrial development. Port availability and dockyard facilities are there. Almost natural ports are available and dockyard facilities for the ship and the unload and load the cargo is there. As well as the store warehouses are also developed in that port area. So these all facilities, the man-made factors, are very important and their effect on the development of industrial region of Brazil, Venezuela, Argentina and Chile. Now which type of industries are developed in this region, industrial region? There is a foodstuff industry, then beverage, metrology and mechanical industries are also developed in these countries. Then chemical and petroleum refining. This chemical and petroleum refining are related with Venezuela. Textile, footwear and apparel industries are there. Textile industry, due to the coast and hot and humid climate, textile industries are also developed. Then Brazil area, there is the availability of cotton production. Then pig iron is also there. Automobiles and household industries are developed in this region. Very high development of foodstuff, beverage and metrology and mechanical industries are in this region. The Argentina grassland is support to the foodstuff as well as the production which is depend on the meat and animals. So in this way, about South America, we can say there are the several factors, physical as well as man-made factors are support to the localization of industries. And we can complete this point here. In the next video, we discuss about the European industrial region. Okay, thank you.